Let us now discuss the rising wedge pattern. We call it RWP. It is similar to the ascending triangle pattern, except that in the ascending triangle pattern this was a horizontal line, but in rising wedge pattern this is a rising upward sloping line. So in a rising wedge pattern, if we look at the highs, we see that we are getting higher highs. If we look at the lows, we are getting higher lows. Now the thing to note here is that the line which connects the lows, that is this line, is steeper than the line which connects the highs. So this is how it appears. Let me draw it for you once again. This is the line which connects all the highs, and this is the line which connects all the lows. Now we will like to use the rising wedge pattern as a bearish reversal pattern. That is, we like to see the price coming from an uptrend like this, going through the pattern, going through the rising wedge pattern, and the uptrend gets converted into a downtrend. Now it does not mean that the price cannot break above this pattern. If it breaks above the pattern, we can see a breakout of the pattern and a new uptrend. But we would like to use it as a bearish reversal pattern. Now let us take few market examples. Here is the ITC 75 minutes chart. We can clearly see a rising wedge pattern. If you look at the highs, they are higher highs. If we connect the lows, we get a steeper line, upward sloping line, forms a pattern of rising wedge. Now let us look at the reaction. The price is coming from a nice uptrend. You can see the price is coming from an uptrend. The pattern forms, the price passes through the pattern, breaks below the pattern with this bar, and look at the fall. The price fell like a waterfall. So here rising wedge pattern acted as a bearish reversal pattern because the uptrend before the pattern got converted into a downtrend after the pattern. Let us now look at Britannia's daily chart. Here again, if we connect the highs, we get an upward sloping line. If we connect the lows, we get a line which is more steep than the previous line. So this is a rising wedge pattern. The price is again coming from an uptrend, and after the pattern, the trend gets converted into a downtrend. The price breaks below this pattern, and look at the fall. Very nice fall. So once again, it has acted as a bearish reversal pattern. We are on the daily chart of Grasim. Once again, the rising wedge pattern. Here the price is coming from a downtrend, and the price breaks below the pattern and gives a good move. So in this case, it has acted as a bearish continuation pattern. What it means is the downtrend which existed before the pattern, that downtrend continued after the pattern. We still do not have a confirmation as to whether there is a good downtrend or not. We still need to wait and watch. The price is trading here. We will keep a watch how it acts. That's it for the rising wedge pattern, RWP. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.